Here's a fun activity you can do with your little one. Let's go make pom-pom cakes. First, ask your child to add the pom-pom cake mixture to the bowl. Have your baking tray and spoons ready. Shall we get our spoon? Can you give it a mix? Mix the cake. This game helps to develop fine motor skills. Let's put the cases in. Ready? Can you put them in? One, pink one. One,
two,
one, three. Good girl. Now's a good time to encourage counting and colour recognition. So you put the cakes in. Shall I show you? One orange cake. What colour cake can you find?
juice.
Orange, like orange juice, that's right, orange. Shall we eat the cakes now? Oh. Shall I get one out and feed it to you? Yum, 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 yum. Oh! It was delicious, was it? Ah, yeah, I'm just gonna eat it. It's funny.
Yeah.
Funny cakes.
Sorry.
Oh! I hope you have fun making your pom-pom cakes. You can get your pom-pom silicone cases, muffin trays and non-slip bowls through the link in the bio. Happy baking!